Welcome to Lewis River, boys. We're going to show you how to fillet a salmon. We're going to use a little Bubba knife. Very sharp. So first things first, I like to take the fins off. Just like that. Take the belly off. Take that fin off. That way it glides all the way through.
Look at those scales just falling off. That's a fresh fish.
Going it sideways like that. All the way down. Just like that. This thing's got some eggs in it. Little hen. We'll obviously save those. So this back side, this one's a little bit more difficult. Always. I don't know why, but it always is. Go through the side like that. Make sure you're hitting that bone. Lift up the belly. Go all the way through. Just like that. Next part is, you're gonna wanna take these rib bones out. Try to get it as thin as possible. Cut this thing in half. Bam. For dinner. Spring ya. Let's go.
It's what's for dinner. Today we're gonna grill up some spring Chinook salmon that my friend Dylan here caught, and we're gonna do some mayonnaise, salt and pepper, some sriracha sauce, and a little bit of lemon juice, and we're just gonna smoke this at about 250 degrees for about 45 minutes, and we'll see how it turns out. Oh, how's that looking? Oh. Give it a little taster.
Money.